Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I got some packages in the mail from ThruNite, and since my overview video was so huge and was 2 parts, I decided to make this separate. Now this was a gift from ThruNite, and I'm going to do a giveaway video. These are the TI2 Outsiders. I'm going to give one of these away on my channel, and the others of these are going to friends. That's a TI2. That's the little mini flashlight, which you previously saw me unboxing, in which I'll finish up a review on separately here really soon. I'll do the giveaway when I do that final review in a couple days here. I got another box, something new here. Well, that's a bigger one. The TH30, brand new TH30 from ThruNite. Let's see what we got here. Oh, what do we have? Oh, it's a headlamp this time. That's convenient. You know what? It's hunting season. That is great. Hands-free lighting at night. So we got here the typical ThruNite accessories. We've got a manual. And we've got here, as always, spare gaskets for the battery chamber and a spare USB charging port cover. We got a clip so you can take it off and use it as a shirt clip or pocket clip. So it's not just a headlamp. ThruNite always thinks of extras for their lights. This is also a clip-on shirt or pocket light, so you can clip it in your pocket and it shines out for you while you're walking around. Pretty cool. Headlamp or clip-on light. I like that. I like the different options, and it's adjustable. In there, is it charged? Or probably a sheet. They usually have something in there to prevent it from contacting in travel. Inside we have a 3100 high capacity, 18650 3100 milliamp hour, 18650 battery. Their batteries are always high capacity, more than your average. They have very, very good batteries. Now, of course, we have an adjustable strap for the head. I'll have to get that all adjusted later for myself. But one size fits all, because you can adjust it. Always convenient. Oh yeah, USB charging cable and a USB charging port here. As always. This light is a little bit unique compared to the typical ThruNite flashlights that I've handled. They have the standard hold the button for 3 seconds for firefly, which is awesome for survival, camping, map reading, nighttime when you don't want to attract a lot of attention. It has a really low intensity 0.3 lumens, good enough to see by. You can actually leave this on for 29 days. That's insane. 29 days. We actually have a ThruNite flashlight we use as a nightlight in Michelle, our daughter's bedroom, and we put it on Firefly, and it lasts for a month. I mean, you can't ask for better. So this is different in that it has a normal modes. You hold the button and cycle through low, medium, high, very high, but then you double click for turbo, which is an insane 3,320 lumens. That is so long, so bright. But turn it off. Let me dim it down a bit, it hurts my eyes. Triple click for SOS. That's different for ThruNite. So you got the 3 short and the 3 long. 3 short, 3 long, and 3 short, and then it recycles. So that's unique in how that functions. A double click for turbo and a triple click for SOS. And SOS lasts for 350 minutes, which is quite a while, which is good for emergency, for survival situation. You can turn it on SOS and leave it flashing. And it's 665 lumens, the SOS, which will really light up the night and get people's attention from far, far away. And then you got your low, which is 30 lumens. It'll last for 55 hours in low. That's days, people. Days. And then you got your next zone, medium low, which is 131 lumens. Lasts for 13 hours. Cycle it up. And you got your medium, 345 lumens, which lasts for 5 hours. And it cycles up to high, which is 1,256 lumens. And I'm not quite sure, it says 4.5 minutes. I don't believe that's correct, plus 111 minutes. So there's, I'm not quite sure how that, what they mean on that. And then the turbo is the insane 3,320 lumens. For a flashlight that size, that is a super, super high-powered light. And there's a max range of 170 meters visibility. That's your average range on this. Of course, impact resistant and water resistant. So, I am going to be using this starting tonight. I'm going out hunting. I'll be using this tonight. And it's going to help me a lot getting in and out of the forest hands-free. And I'll do a full field test and review probably in a week. I want to note also the cool... Ooh, that's on high. I like that because that's your battery status of charge. And it turns through from blue, purple to red as it discharges. And when you're charging it, of course, it's going to do the opposite. I like that. I have no doubt in my mind, if you don't own a ThruNite flashlight and you get one of these, it'll be the best flashlight you own. So check out the links and get yourself one. This is pretty cool because it's so versatile. Incredibly bright and powerful. And stay tuned for the full product review in about a week. Well, please like this video, leave a comment below, tell me your thoughts, and subscribe to my channel. All kinds of cool stuff coming ahead. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Talk to you later.